How's it going, guys? Joel Powell, the Credit Crusader, and I've got some special news for you guys. Teespring, the people who helped me with the Crusader Cave, that's the place where I have my merch, my t-shirts, digital content like the workshops. They've reached out to me to create non-fungible tokens. Now, just so you guys know, there's going to be a series of 3 of these that are coming out. This is the first one. The other ones will be released every week. So next week, this one will be done, and they'll either be sold out or they'll be destroyed, and then the next one will be available. This is the first one. This is the original. This is the Credit Crusader in all his glory. Now, when it comes to NFTs, you got to think of them kind of like baseball cards. Like if there's a baseball player who you get their rookie card and then they become famous, that rookie card's worth quite a bit of money. It's the same kind of deal with NFTs. So if the Crusader, if my channel blows up and you have this bad boy, the value of it's probably going to go up too. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to go on down to the Crusader Cave and check it out. It's super easy to buy it. All you need is a credit card. You don't need to own any Bitcoin or anything like that, or Ethereum. You don't need to buy it with cryptocurrency. You can just use your credit card and Teespring will take care of the rest. So with that being said, I just want to let you guys know that the Crusader's got some big stuff happening. I'm working on it right now. So you guys better stay glued to those phones. But until then, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.